Stegodon, is a genus of the extinct subfamily Stegodontinae of the order Proboscidea. It was assigned to the family Elephantidae, but has also been placed in Stegodontidae. Stegodonts were present from 11.6 Mi to late Pleistocene, with unconfirmed records of regional survival until 4,100 years ago. Fossils are found in Asian and African strata dating from the late Miocene. They lived in large parts of Asia, East and Central Africa and North America during the Pleistocene. Morphology Size Stegodon was one of the largest proboscideans, along with more derived genera. Stegodontidae is known from an old male from the Yellow River that is 3.87 meters tall and weighed approximately 12.7 tons. It had a humerus 1.21 meters long, a femur 1.46 meters long, and a pelvis 2 meters wide. Dwarfism A dwarfed population survived until 12,000 years ago on the island of Flores, Indonesia. A review of 130 papers written about 180 different sites with Proboscidean remains in southern China revealed Stegodon to have been more common than Asian elephants. The papers gave many recent radiocarbon dates, the youngest being 2150 BCE. However, Chavez al. reported that one of the faunal assemblages including supposed fossils of Holocene Stegodon is actually late Pleistocene in age. Other supposed fossils of Holocene Stegodonts we lost and their age cannot be verified. The authors concluded that the latest confirmed occurrences of Stegodon from China are from late Pleistocene, and that its Holocene survival cannot be substantiated. The name Stegodon is derived from the Greek words I florin I micron I cubed I micron I to the first I 1/2 stegine and I 1/2 odn because of the distinctive ridges on the animal's molars. Stegodon florensis insularis is an extinct subspecies of Stegodon endemic to the island of Flores, Indonesia, and an example of insular dwarfism. The direct ancestor of S. florensis insularis is a larger-bodied S. florensis, from early Pleistocene and early Middle Pleistocene sites on Flores. Remains of S. florensis insularis are known from the cave of Liang Bua. Similar to modern-day elephants, Stegodonts were likely good swimmers, as their fossils are frequently encountered on Asian islands, which even during periods of low sea level were not connected by land bridges with the Asian continent. A general evolutionary trend in large mammals on islands is island dwarfing. The smallest dwarf species, S. sundari, known from 900,000-year-old glares on the Indonesian island of Flores, had an estimated body weight of 300 kilograms, smaller than a water buffalo. A medium to large-sized stegodont, S. florensis, with a body weight of about 850 kilograms, appeared about 850,000 years ago, and then also evolved into a dwarf form, Stegodon florensis insularis. The latter was contemporaneous with the hominin discovered in 2003, Homo floresiensis, and disappeared about 12,000 years ago. Taxonomy. In the past, Stegodonts were believed to be the ancestors of the true elephants and mammoths, but it is currently believed that they have no modern descendants. Stegodon may be derived from Stegodon, an extinct genus known from the Miocene of Asia. Stegodon is considered to be a sister group of the mammoth, as well as the elephants. Some taxonomists consider the Stegodonts a subfamily of Elephantidae. Both Stegodon and primitive elephants were derived from the Gomphothryidae. The most important difference between Stegodon and Elephantidae can be observed in the molars. Stegodont molars consist of a series of low, roof-shaped ridges, whereas in elephants each ridge has become a high crown plate. Furthermore, Stegodont skeletons are more robust and compact than those of elephants. In Bardian National Park in Nepal, there is a population of Indian elephants that, possibly due to inbreeding, exhibit many Stegodon-like morphological features. Some dismiss these primitive features as recent mutations rather than atavisms. Fossils of the small specialized Stegodonts Stegodon aurae are found in the Osaka Plain, Japan and date from approximately 2 Ma to 7 Ma. This species possibly evolved from Stegodon shinchuensis. Phylogeny The following cladogram shows the placement of the genus Stegodon among other proboscideans, based on hyoid characteristics. References